Hello everybody, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Muraho mwese? Mumeze mute? Nizere ko mumeze neza. Mumeze neza? Ndabyizeye. Murishimye? Ndabyizeye. Welcome to Liberty Speaking TV. Muhawe ikaze kuri Liberty Speaking TV, aho muzajya mwigira indimi. Buri wese uzajya umubwira jya kuri Liberty Speaking TV bigisha icyongereza neza, kandi ntukibagirwe ukanda subscribe. Ujye umubwira akande subscribe. Today we are going to study a new lesson entitled bored. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga isomo rishya rifite insanganyamatsiko igira iti kugira irungu. Let us look at general phrases. Mureke turebere hamwe ingero muri rusange. Being bored means having nothing to do. Being bored means having nothing to do. Kugira irungu bisobanuye kuba ntacyo ufite uri gukora. When someone is bored, iyo umuntu afite irungu, they often call people. Akenshi bahamagara abantu iyo abantu bafite irungu barambiwe irungu ryabishe ryambere nabi, and try to entertain themselves or try to find something to do with a friend, cyangwa bakagerageza gusabana nabo ubwabo, cyangwa bagashaka umuntu bagira ibyo bakora, umuntu w'inshuti bakagira ibyo bakorana. So being bored is a good starting point for conversational English. Ubwo rero nicyo gituma kuba ufite irungu ari ingingo nziza nyamukuru twaheraho dutangira kuganira, kuko umuntu afite irungu niho ubona uko utangira ukamuganiriza kuko aba yigunze. You understand? Nizere ko muri kubyumva. Let us look at general phrases. Mureke turebere hamwe ingero cyangwa se interuro zose dushobora gukoresha muri rusange. I'm dying from boredom. Irungu riranyishe. I hate being bored. Ndabyanga kubaho nta kintu mfite cyangwa se mfite irungu. I don't have anything to do. Ntacyo mfite cyo gukora. My life is so boring. Ubuzima bwanjye life is so boring. Ubuzima burimo irungu. I'm just watching TV until I find something to do. Ndimo ndirebera televiziyo kugeza ubwo ndibugire icyo mbona, ndibushake icyo nkora. I was bored all weekend. Weekend yose nayimaze mfite irungu. I'm so bored today. Imunsi irungu riranyishe. Mfite irungu ryinshi cyane, ndetse irungu ryanyishe. I'm so bored today. I get bored very easily. Bijya binyohera cyane kugira irungu. I get bored very easily. Bijya binyohera cyane kugira irungu. I get bored all the time. Nkunze kugira irungu igihe cyose. Ngira irungu igihe cyose. So, dukomeze tujye mbere. Let's continue. Common place to get bored is when you have to visit family members. Ahantu abantu benshi bashobora kugira irungu ni igihe ugomba gusura umuryango cyangwa abagize umuryango wawe. It's always boring whenever we go to our relatives. Igihe cyose tugiye kwa bene wacu haba hari irungu. It's nice to visit my grandmother, but it gets boring after a couple of hours. Birashimisha gusura nyogokuru, ariko nyuma yaho irungu rikaza. Nyuma y'amasaha make yamvuye irungu rikaza. My cousins are so boring. All they do is watch TV. Babyara banjye batera irungu.
icyo bakora gusa ni ukureba televiziyo.
There's nothing to do in the countryside. I'm always bored there. Ntacyo gukora mba mfite mu cyaro, buri gihe mba mfite irungu. If you think you are a boring person, here is a way to say that you are boring. Niba utekereza ko uri umuntu urambirana, dore uburyo ushobora kuvuga ko warambiranye. I think I'm a little boring. Ndibaza cyangwa ndatekereza narambiranye mu gake. I'm a boring person. Ndi umuntu urambirana. Boring can be used to describe someone. Boring bishobora gukoreshwa uvuga imiterere y'umuntu, uvuga umuntu uko ateye, ko arambirana. He is a boring person. Ni umuntu urambirana. His personality is very boring. Imiterere ye ni umuntu urambirana. It's boring whenever she's around. Atera irungu cyangwa ararambirana, bari irungu igihe cyose yahari. Using bored to answer a question is very common. Gusubiza ikibazo ukoresheje bored biramenyerewe. Here are some general questions that someone might ask. Hano turabona ibibazo rusange umuntu ashobora kuba yabaza. How was your trip? Urugendo rwawe rwagenze gute? How was your vacation? Ibiruhuko byawe byagenze gute? How was your weekend? Weekend yawe yagenze gute? How was the lecture? Isomo ryawe ryagenze gute muri kaminuza? How was the class? Isomo ryawe ryagenze gute mu yandi mashuri? How was the game? Umukino wagenze gute? Any of these types of questions can be answered with a simple answer. Buri kimwe muri ibyo bibazo biri aho maze kubabwira ushobora kugisubirisha igisubizo cyoroshye. Urugero: It was pretty boring. It was pretty boring. It was pretty boring. Harimo irungu ryinshi cyane. It was boring. I didn't do much. It was boring. I didn't do much. Harimo irungu ryinshi, nta byinshi nakoze. It wasn't as fun as I thought. It wasn't as fun as I thought. Ntabwo harimo ibyishimo nk'uko nabitekerezaga, nabyibwiraga. It was a little boring. Harimo irungu rikeya. I was bored most of the time. Umwanya munini nari mfite irungu. Because it was disorganized. We had too much extra time. Kubera nta gahunda twari dufite undi mwanya w'inyongera. I was bored during our free time. I was bored during our free time. I was bored during our free time. Nari mfite irungu mu gihe cyacu, mu kanya kacu twari turimo ntacyo dukora. Dear followers, this is the end of board lesson. Uyu ni umwanya wo gusoza isomo ryacu. But we'll continue it next time. Ariko tuzarikomeza ubutaha. That was your English teacher, your friend Jean de Dieu from Rwanda. Abana rimwe wanyu Uwingabye Jean de Dieu, inshuti yanyu mu Rwanda. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.